Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today we are going to make a spring cleaning carpet deodorizer. And we are only going to use 2 ingredients. You will need baking soda and lemon essential oil. Let's get started. First, we start with 1 cup of baking soda. Before we start mixing in our essential oils, you want to make sure you can pound out as many of these little rocks that you can. Once you're satisfied, you are going to use 15 drops of essential oil. I'm using lemon. Lemon has a very nice, fresh fragrance. And we're talking about spring cleaning. So I'm going to, without a dropper, I'm just going to free drop my essential oils. Okay. Then I'm going to mix it up. As you notice, you are forming some more little rocks, but you're going to try to get as much of it as possible out. You're going to set this aside for 20 minutes so the scent can seep into the baking soda, and everyone knows that baking soda is great for deodorizing, refrigerators and your carpets. So as we let this sit for 20 minutes, I'm going to make a container where we can put this in. So I have here an old mason jar. Now I'm going to use the top part of the lid, and I'm going to make a shaker. You can use a pencil. I just use the scissors and I trace. Oops, I moved it there. Okay, there we go. And I trace the lid, put a little bit of a crease in my cardstock. I don't know if you can actually see that, but I did make an imprint of this lid onto this cardstock. What you would do, you cut out this circle, once you've cut out your circle, I'm going to just use the sharp tip of my scissors, and I'm going to put in a few holes because we're going to make us a little shaker so we can distribute our deodorizer on our carpet. Just putting a few holes here. Okay, I will take this, put it inside the lid. Then I'll put it on top of my little jar. Okay. But right now, let's just pretend this has been sitting for 20 minutes. I could take my deodorizer and I put it in my jar, like so. Put on the lid. Screw it on nice and tight. And now that I am done, I can actually put in a few more holes. Make them as large or as small as you want. Okay. And there you go. So now you have your carpet deodorizer. Once you put it on your carpet, you leave it on your carpet for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, vacuum it up and you'll have the wonderful fresh scent of lemon throughout your house from your carpets. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And until next time.